so we never see her again.
And too much time me talk to you so when you do you for flush the toilet. We left the shit in left for.
Me dip on the phone.
Go dip on phone. You pay your phone bill? Get up and go flush the toilet.
I'll do something for me.
Come on, you too. Hello? Me there out on the front with some bag. Me don't know if you could have come help me with them. Yeah, man, me throw on a shirt and come, man. Alright. No bother, man. Where you so long me call you, brother? Where you do? You know how long me call you? But me just come off your phone with you. Now you never chattings with me, man. Go wash your plate them. I take out back your shirt. Like you have to do everything yourself to what, man? You know that? See bro, man. Go sweep out the place, man. So you change my place. A space you might take up, you know? You tell him, man.
Is it? On a dog right? First on a bowl like them full of gun, full of crocodile.
Girl, listen. Yeah.
Hello, mama.
Is what?
Yeah, the town can't come in.
Yeah, man, you can't come in. Come.
You sure me can't come in?
Oh, yeah, dog in the yard. Oh, yeah, my father there.
I want to run. I
Oh, wait. You never get my number. No, you have to come in the yard.
Hey, if you come back in, I'm going to turn you upside down. Well, fuck this blood clot. I don't want no number.
Yeah, this is an exclusive from DJ Blue.
RDX. Girl, make your body jump, 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 jump.
No, man. The one that had tough. No, sir. Wow. You got enough problem.
I'm a freak bitch, handcuffs, leashes. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating. Switch my wig, make 'em feel like he cheating.
When you want me to stop and who can love you like me? Who can sex you like me?
They not up me yet.
Hold on, we have a look. Yeah, they're up in. Alright, come, we go look at visa before they recount the ballot. Hurry.
Mummy! Yeah! Mummy! Made hurt me. I had on the phone from last morning. That's why you hurt you. That's why you hurt you. That's why you hurt you. I had on the phone from morning. You don't get up with the stinking self. Don't call me.
What's wrong with your arm?
Oh, nothing. I just got the new COVID vaccine. I got a text this morning. Said, they could stop by the house and give it to me. no lineups or anything. It's just sometimes there's some side effects, and I have to let them know. But I feel good.
Good morning, class, and welcome back from your COVID break. Now, please turn your attention to the board. We're going to do a recap. Now, I want the class to say the alphabet.
Yes, sir.
1, 2. The alphabet.
2 1 2, 2 2 4, 2
All right.
6.
Please say the months of the year.
The months of the year are Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
All right. Please say the days of the week.
The days of the week are January, February, March, April, May, June, July.
Them dons again. Them dons.
We don't.
Yeah, dog.
Alright, G, tell me what I'm going now.
You know what's somebody will this me now, I'm not even breathe until I leave that.
G, just breathe. Breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Breathe. Alright, talk to me. Your pussy good. I understand. She quinted pa you? Push. Hold this. Want water?
Yeah!
Alright, me a come. Jay.
Don't kill me, son.
Jay, you're embarrassing.
Come in there, pussy good.
Push